Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am so thrilled to be here with Vanessa. Vanessa is now 1 year from her transplant with us here at Natural Transplants with me. And as you can see from her before pictures, it's quite the difference, night and day. And I do appreciate you showing everyone, Vanessa, because I know it takes a lot of courage to show those pictures. And I thank you for paying it forward and helping someone else with their decision process. So tell me, obviously you're pretty young. You started losing your hair at a pretty early age, right?
Yes. I started losing my hair probably early 20s.
Okay. And how young are you now?
I'm 31.
Okay. And we were assuming that this is some sort of genetic. Yes.
My dad has a very strong bald gene.
Okay.
A very, very strong bald gene.
And you were lucky enough to get his gene for hair, so
yes.
That's what most
his mother even had it as well.
Runs in the female side too. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So obviously, from the front it looks amazing, but tell us about the process. I mean, you shaved your head, you went through everything, you waited, a couple months for things to come in. What was the process like, and what are people saying? Has anyone noticed?
Oh yeah. I mean, I get family members that have seen me now and saw me like before, and they'll still make comments to me like, wow, your hairline.
That's awesome. That brings a smile to my face to hear that.
They'll be like, your hairline is so amazing, Vanessa.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
They can't believe, because as you can see in my before pictures, my hairline was just gone.
Yeah.
It was just gone.
Yeah.
And now I have a complete hairline.
Yeah. And just
all the way around.
Perfect. I was just going to tell you, maybe just kind of turn to this. Can you just pull back and hold it right there? Perfect.
Yeah.
And let's see the other side. Yep.
Yeah. I just have one.
Yeah. Perfect example of what a one-pass hairline looks like. 30%, but more than enough to reframe your face. I love the way you're wearing your hair, and you're still getting length to it. I am really super, super happy for you. So thanks again for showing everyone. At this stage, I think you feel like you're pretty happy with things, and enjoy your hair. If you ever decided that you wanted more, either to double up on density or you had some more loss, you certainly could have more in the future, but we'll be here for you if you should decide to do that, okay? What would you say to people that are on the fence about this process? Does it work or not?
It's extremely easy. I know it has the word surgery on it, but it's really like the easiest surgery you could do. And I mean, you get a blanket in front of a big screen TV, numbed up, while they do all the heavy lifting.
Yeah. And it's well worth it to go through based on, look at the confidence that you have now based with the hair, right? I mean,
it's crazy because I was wearing wigs all the time.
Yeah. And now you're able to rock your natural hair. Wear a wig because you want to, not because you have to, right? So congratulations. We should have like a wig burning party, but I'm really happy for you, Vanessa. Thanks again for sharing your story, and enjoy your hair.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.